Yo, welcome back. Another video. If you see the title, you see the thumbnail, I feel like you already know what the hell is going on. You know what I'm saying? You have a brand new pair of shoes, fresh out the mail. Got these from GOAT. I had to order these, you know what I'm saying? This is kind of like a grail that I was always wanted since it came out. You get what I'm saying? I just didn't have the opportunity to buy it back then. Now that I have the opportunity to have it, why not? You get what I'm saying? I also want to get my unboxing and reaction on camera so y'all can see like the authenticity about like how I feel and my like overall expressions towards the shoes. You know what I'm saying? So like, give me a second for that, please. Let me go get a box cutter to open up this. Get this shit started. Brand new box, you know what I'm saying? Got these from GOAT. Getting them from straight from GOAT. Straight out of GOAT, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. You know GOAT be having that packaging like that, you know what I'm saying? I'll remove the stickers and, well, not the stickers, the little papers and all that stuff so y'all can see everything with me and shit, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all to see everything with me. Let's get that out the way. Let's get that out the way. No, just bring that out. Just bring that out. Ooh. I already looked at a couple of videos on these and stuff, so I already know what the box looks like, you get what I'm saying? So it's like, it got the little holes in it, got the little plastic in it. I'm gonna bring it out for y'all so y'all can see it, you get what I'm saying? I'm gonna also get some B-roll shots of the shoes and the box and all that good stuff, you get what I'm saying? I'm already amazed, because the box is like, wow, you get what I'm saying? The box is like, wow, you get what I'm saying? I'm like, pretty excited. Don't mind me, I'm like embracing my inner childhood, so don't destroy me in this section. Got that little GOAT tag on it. Y'all know how that shit get, especially if you ordered from GOAT before. Got the bottom of the box, you get what I'm saying? Show you the top of the box one more time so y'all can see everything. A size 10. I don't know if y'all can see that on the label. Y'all should be able to see that. I'm gonna open it for y'all, you get what I'm saying? I want y'all to see it first. So let me get a little closer. Y'all ready? Hopefully it doesn't just come all falling out and shit. That would piss me off, but let's find out. Okay, so as far as I know, it should have like a little plastic wrapping and stuff and all that. Let's go! 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 You see the little plastic wrapping? I got my little tag on the inside. Show y'all my shit is real. I don't play that. Mine's is real. You feel what I'm saying? No disrespect to anybody that does, I guess, you know what I'm saying? But me, no. Sorry. It's really the wrap. It feels nice. Like, it feels... I'm saying it's plastic, obviously. It's not something that was just ripped. For the moment of truth. Oh, man. Nah, bro, these is fire, bro. I can really just throw these on, bro. Like, what I got on right now can go with it, you get what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong, I got the tank top, I got my little Nike Tech shorts, you know what I'm saying? But I'm in the house, so let me take one shoe at a time, you know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? Bam! Oh my God, you know what the hell is going on? Yo, son. You got the zip tie, it says Off-White, CO Nike 2020. So nice. You know the vibes. If you get a new pair of shoes, y'all know how this get, man. You gotta do that little test. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And it got that Nike on the back. Like, I'm trying to tell you, I think I told y'all in my other video, you can never go wrong with a Jordan that has the Nike on the back of it. It gives OG, it gives like, you know what I'm saying, nostalgia. Nah, this material is it. You can't feel it, you can see it, you get what I'm saying? Bro, I'm trying to tell you, this is something I can just throw on, like whether it's raining. I wouldn't do it in the rain though. I'm just trying to explain to you, it's like, there's something about those sneakers that you can wear in all sorts of weather. You feel what I'm saying? Like for real. That's one shoe though. Let's put this right here next to the hoodie, right? Got that from GOAT. I just want to show y'all because it's like some people be having replicas and all that good stuff. Let me not say good stuff, that's not good. Mine's is authentic, it was checked, verified, all that good stuff. Mine's is very, 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 very real. You get what I'm saying? Very, 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 very real. Yo, I'm very excited, like I don't think y'all understand it. Then it got the gum bottom, like, let me stop playing with y'all. Let me bring out the other shoe. And then it comes with the laces, like the red lace and the white lace, bro. It's really the red lace and the white lace for me, bro. I'm taking out these black laces. The white laces is going straight on. Like, if you know, you know. Like, don't get me wrong, the red laces will slap too. That will pop too much. I'm one of those, like, white laces is. And then they got shoelace at the end of the lace. And then you got the plastic wrap. I'm gonna show y'all the plastic wrap. It's the wrap, it's the box. You know what I'm saying? The whole box. Bada bing, bada boom. You see my tag, you see my other tag. Yeah. Let's get that out of here though. I'll probably go outside to give y'all some B-roll shots and like good like quality views of the shoe so you can see it in the daylight, you get what I'm saying, instead of seeing it on the inside. But me just looking at it on the inside in my hands and like, I'm throwing these on. Like, and then they got the off-white tag. There's a couple people that don't like wearing their off-white tag, but if you know how to throw it on, keep that shit on. It's drip, bro. It's drip, bro. If you know the vibes, you know the vibes. You feel me? I'm not gonna talk too much about that. Show you that one more time before I get y'all some B-roll shots. You see what's going on? These are lovely. Nike on the back. It's the quality, bro. I'm just gonna show y'all some B-roll shots. Give me a second with that. Bang! Yeah, man. These are freaking fire. Hands down. There's no way around it. Like, if you read me, you read me. You wouldn't be searching up this video, let alone looking at it, if you didn't believe these shoes was fire, right? Right. And like, yo, bro, I can really throw these on with anything. Not anything, but like anything. And then it got the little shit in the back that's like plastic, you know what I'm saying? Yo, this is different, bro. This is different. Like, man, y'all gone ahead, subscribe, drop a comment down below how y'all feel about these. Which laces you feel like would slap. I know I'm putting the white laces in, hands down. The white lace is gonna go crazy. But don't get me wrong, all of them hit, you know what I'm saying? Y'all turn y'all post notifications on, more bangers is definitely gonna keep getting dropped. It ain't no stopping. Let's get ready. It's summertime, baby. Yeah.